So today I want to talk about repair and forgiveness. All relationships from time to time have ruptures. And it's not the ruptures that damage the relationships. It's how you repair them or don't repair them that makes all the difference. And that is what makes the difference. So, sometimes and often people do find it hard to apologize. Um, Apologizing can be hard, forgiving can be hard, and both make, you tend to feel vulnerable, and both take courage. But without repair, cracks widen. With repair, trust grows when you know how to repair relationships. And actually, it's worth practicing and not trying to always avoid ruptures. It's, if you have a rupture, consider seriously how do we repair our ruptures? And that's a conversation that is worth having. So this week, I want you to uh, look at and have a conversation about which is harder for me. Is it saying sorry or is it forgiving? Both are really important. So that is a useful conversation to have. And once again, comments below. Bye for now.